me with your latest tech update. Everyone hates passwords. They hate having to come up with them, remembering them, and the annoying process of resetting them. That's why people take shortcuts, like using their pets' names or reusing a password across several accounts. Those are bad habits that put businesses at risk. And it's why we're glad that Passkeys are coming as early as this autumn. Passkeys are very simple. To log into something, you'll use your phone to prove it's really you. Your computer will use Bluetooth to verify that you're sat nearby, then send a verification message to your phone. Unlock your phone in the usual way with your face, fingerprint or PIN, and that's it, you're logged in. Apple's announced it'll start using Passkeys later this year with iOS 16. Google and Microsoft will offer them in the near future as well. We think Passkeys will become a hot topic this year ahead. Can you see your business adopting them? That's your tech update. More next week.